I have Honor 10 and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings, then let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. So here you need to find and select the reset option. Now select reset all settings. Let's read the information. So this will reset all settings, including the all network settings, fingerprints, face data, lock screen password. So if you are aware of this, let's choose reset all settings, and to begin the operation, choose reset all settings button one more time. The device is resetting all customized settings, so let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, the reset is done. You can go back and start using your device with the default settings. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.